Hi, my name's Gavin Pickering. Today I'm going to go over some of the basic steps and ways to run PowerPoint. So I'm going to go down to my toolbar and open up PowerPoint. Um, PowerPoint is a great way to do different sorts of presentations. This can be individual presentations or group projects. First step is going to be picking a template and a style you would like. I'm just going to go with gallery here in the middle. It's a pretty simple and nice format. So I'm going to do a book called Surviving the Applewhites. This is for ages about for grades about 5th and 6th. This is a book I actually have done a project over in my children's literature class. So this is a Newbery Award-winning book. It's a very well written book, and it's would be one kids really enjoy. So here on the title page, I went ahead and typed in "Surviving the Applewhites." This goes ahead. It has a default font up here, and also font size. And I'm gonna show you. You can go ahead and change them to whichever you like. Many different ones. I'm gonna go with Century here, and I'll keep the font the same. Down here on the subtitle spot, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the author's name, Stephanie S. Tulin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a way we can bold. We can also do some underlining, italics. I'm gonna not do italics, but that just gives you a good example. I'm gonna underline it, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the font here to 24. So you see that it's bold, and it's the font size made it a little bigger. Okay, next I'm gonna show you how to do a new slide. I'm going to go up here to where it says New Slide under the Home tab. Hit the down arrow, and this gives you a different view of the different templates they have, or layouts. I'm just going to do a title and content. I'm going to do a brief view of the different topics here. So my first or second slide, I guess, is going to be characters. And again, I'm going to come up here. I can change the font, make it a little bigger. And I'm just going to list a few. Jake is one of the main characters. ED is a character. Wolfie is a character. So that's just a few, but it shows you some of the bulleted options you can do. And I can also change these if I would like. I can change them to arrows. I can change them to different kinds of circles. I can also do numbers if I would like. But I'm going to keep the bulleted list. I'm going to go down here to the Home tab again. Open up a new slide. Again, title and content. Gonna list, let's go with the setting. So in here, I could bring in different photos. I can do a chart. I could do all sorts of stuff. I'm going to just insert a chart here. I know it doesn't have anything to do with the setting, but as you see, there's 2D, there's 3D, there's many other ones. I'm just going to do a 3D here. And this actually takes you to Excel. And Excel is a form of Microsoft, and this gives you different percentages and stuff you can do. I'm just going to do the quickest way. I'm going to go back to PowerPoint, and you see it just did a sales one for that. And you can also change different layouts and designs for it as well. I'm going to go back to the Home tab. we're going to go to a new slide. This one I'm just going to do, and we'll show some different shapes you can do. You can see you can drag them on here, do all sorts of different stuff. We can type up, let's go dates. And you can highlight, we can change the fonts here, which you can barely see. But let's unhighlight it. As you see it unhighlighted there. So that's one other thing. Let's go to comparison. So this would be a good way to compare two different, there could be pictures, bulleted lists, all sorts of stuff. Also with slides, we're going to go back up here to the first slide. We can do transitions. This is some short and simple thing to make your PowerPoints seem more interesting to the viewers. So as you see there, there's like some different transitions. So when you're going to a different slides, going to the next one, kind of gives it a different view for the audience. It kind of grabs their attention, I think. There's also different animations you can do with the words, or even pictures if you have them. This design tab, it just gives some of the different backgrounds and themes we have. I want to go back to the gallery. So overall, I think I hit some very important and useful techniques and basics of PowerPoint that students would need to use. So thank you.